What's up, fam? If we don't know each other yet, that is absolutely tragic and we should change that. My name is Jess. I'm the owner of Dolls in Training and the creator of the BBL Encyclopedia and the Travel Surgery Journal. Let's connect. DM me. Tell me your name, what surgery you're having, who your surgeon is, and how I can help. My goal is to make sure you're totally educated and go into surgery with a peaceful mind. Today's video is all about how to use a portable urinal after surgery. This urinal is incredibly useful for anyone who doesn't have a body part that would do this for them. We're going to start with a demo wearing a post-surgical compression garment. Follow along with the text and visual demo on screen while I explain a few things. When you take the device out of the case, it might be slightly bent or crooked. This is totally fine. It will still work, but this is where the practice comes into play. You'll need to get familiar with it. It's going to be critical that you practice using this device before you have surgery. I personally suggest trying daily for a week, maybe in the shower first if you're nervous, and then at the toilet. You want to have this mastered by the time you need it. And two, there are a few ways to finesse this device so that you're set up for success and don't get frustrated midstream. So I know I'm moving through this side view pretty quickly, but y'all know me. I don't do anything without doing it thoroughly and with a shit ton of detail. Keep watching for an even more detailed frontal view of the entire process all over again. Okay, now let's get into the nitty-gritty here, babes. Here's where you want to take notes. There's 2 tabs on each side of the device. This is where you'll put your thumbs and have the most control while using it as a result. Make sure you pull aside any flaps in the garment before placing the device between your legs. You want it to be firm and snug against your body without any gaps. Closing your legs around the device helps too. Hold the thumb tabs with both hands at first and pull it apart slightly so that the entire device is cupping the outer edges of your body. It will almost feel like it's in the crease of your thigh. This is where it feels most comfortable for me and how I've had the most success while using it. Completely close your legs around the device so that your thighs and knees are touching. This might feel a little unnatural at first, but again, practice makes progress. You can choose whether or not to hold the device at this point. Yes, it will stay in place if you let go, but I usually like to hold it and push it slightly upward to create a tight seal against my body. Obviously, the tip of the device should be hovering over the toilet bowl and do your best to find central aim, but it might take a few minutes for your mind to tell your body that it's okay to go, standing up and with your legs closed. Like everything else in this journey, this will be a new muscle. When you've finished, shake excess fluid into the toilet and pull the back edge of the device upward and forward at the same time in a wiping motion. This will essentially wipe for you, but feel free to use toilet paper afterward on both yourself and the device. If you're not able to wash it immediately, the great thing about the Tinkerbell is that both the device and the case are made with an antimicrobial material that allows for time between use and wash. But be sure to wash with warm water and antibacterial soap the next chance you get, and definitely before the next use. That's it. I promise it's simpler than it looks and seems, and once you've gotten the hang of it, you'll be able to do it with your eyes closed and no hands. I love this thing so much. I've used it so many times, even when I'm not in my garment. Trains, subways, public restrooms, festivals, the possibilities are literally endless. You will not regret this purchase. If you have a question about something I missed, or you're not sure how to ask but really need to know, leave a question in the comments and we won't judge you. Everyone else is here to learn, and if you're wondering, they probably are too. Let me know what's on your mind. I'm happy to help. Wishing you nothing but happiness, health, and peace on your journey, babes.